These are the top 5 scariest monkey sounds in the world. Comment which one you think is the scariest. But first, you will have incredible luck tomorrow if you like and subscribe to this channel before the video ends. First is the howler monkey. Its roar can be heard from 5 kilometers away. Pure jungle terror. Next is the mandrill. It grunts and growls like a beast ready to charge. Next is the galada. It sounds like a broken alien radio. Next is the hamadryas baboon. Screeches loud and fast like a demonic laugh. And last is the siamang gibbon. Its haunting duet calls echo for miles.